External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said India is seen as a country with a strong economy and an independent nation. Union Minister Amit Shah said the government has taken various initiatives to improve the housing satisfaction ratio of Central Armed Forces. Fresh spell of cold wave is likely to start in northwest India from tomorrow, the 1st of January 2023. The government has said that more than 8 crore 50 lakh teleconsultations have been conducted at Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers till now through e-Sanjeevani. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya said the number of Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Kendras has crossed 9,000 in the country.